Hi butterflies, my name is Daisy and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Also guys, today I decided to bless you with a vlog. I was going to Mpumalanga and we were using the road that we don't usually use because mostly when we're going to Mpumalanga we use the Akonhook one, but this time we're like, let's try that other one. And guys, I was just taking videos, so today I just decided to combine these videos and make a vlog. Hi guys, so we are at the garage. I needed something to drink because I was eating this. We got it. Yeah, I was eating this. We got it along the way, and guess what guys, I bought the hot one, and I literally regretted it. I don't want to lie, I literally regret it. And yeah, I needed something to drink. I was drinking Sprite. From Sprite I went on to butterflies ngasengai sola. Tell me why I chose hot flavor in galitos. Tell me why. Because I honestly think if you chose hot flavor in galitos, you should be heartbroken, and just want to cry in public, in my opinion. I'm telling you, because that flavor is so hot, like the peri peri guys, the peri peri. So guys, I honestly didn't enjoy my meal because of the flavor, but it was kind of nice. If I chose mild or something, I was going to enjoy it, I know. So here I was starting to admire the beauty of nature. Most of the time that we use this road is already late and already dark, so that's why I don't get the chance to experience these beautiful mountains, beautiful rocks. You actually think that they're painted. Obviously God painted them, duh. So here we were approaching the tunnel, we passed through, and on the other side there are people who are selling things that they created, pots and other things. I really forget how we call these people, who create things out of woods. But you know what, we move, and immediately guys, after you pass the tunnel, the beauty that comes after the beauty. This is my favorite view guys. This is my favorite view. Guys, this is just heaven on earth, Kesana. Nobody can convince me otherwise. Cause guys, imagine if earth is looking like this. How is heaven looking? How is heaven looking? So here I was still enjoying the view guys, enjoying the beauty, and we were also jamming with those old Venda rap, our Misofil, Rachakil, Bamba and Ramsey, Ndamfuna, all those songs guys. I was at my happiest, I was enjoying, and I can't complain with anything. So day two guys, we woke up very early on this day and we went shopping, and I was hungry. Someone offered to take me to FISHWAYS. I was like, say no more. Here we're just waiting for our order. Guys, if you are with a content creator, you must always know that camera will always eat first. So here I was taking a picture of my food. I also ordered sushi. It was my first time trying it, guys. I also did a video. I hope you all will not judge me. This is the food that I ordered. Guys, I honestly enjoy this food. You know, there was grilled egg, fried egg. I can't complain. Shout out to FISHWAYS, man. Shout out to FISHWAYS. I'm giving them 10 over 10. Sorry. After our meal, we decided to go to Mpumalanga Falls. This is a place that we really wanted to visit. Guys, on this day, the sun was sunning. It was so hot. I didn't even have an umbrella, but I was like, let me just go, because it's kind of 100 meter from the gate to where you can have a clear view of the waterfall. Guys, look! Wow, guys, just look at that. I'm sorry I can't get any closer. On this video, I was talking on how nervous I am, why I didn't want to get any closer. You know, the sound of the water was making things worse, guys. So I didn't want to get any closer. Also, the height, guys, I was like, if you fail, you'll never survive. And this is where we decided that let's go to Mpumalanga Falls. Here we're going back to the car so that we can go to Mpumalanga Falls. It's not that far, you know, from here. Finally, here we are at Mpumalanga pools. These are the pools that we'll be swimming in. So if you love nature and you love something like this, you can go on and visit the place. Guys, this place is so refreshing. It's so refreshing and so quiet. So this is what I was wearing. I went for color orange because it always complements my skin. Guys, I was looking so good. Unfortunately, I can't show you the lower body. Yeah. So here I was trying to take pictures. We're taking pictures here. This is us. We were going back home, you know, because we were hungry. We were also jamming on Pesemokweba's song that, you know, guys, don't judge me. I know that I can sing, but I hope you all got the song. So, guys, if you really like this video, do let me know down on the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and to click on the bell so y'all will never miss an update from this channel. Bye, butterflies.